Hey, fellow classmates. My name is Tara Griffith, and I teach and coach at Shawnee Heights High School, which is located in Tecumseh, Kansas, which is actually really close to Topeka, Kansas. It's basically a suburb of Topeka, Kansas, if Topeka, Kansas can have a suburb. So today I'm here to talk to you about a little bit about me and why I'm here, what I'm doing here. So first off, what are my goals for this class? So far I've taken a few college classes and I really enjoy the technology classes because I get to take this stuff away and take it home to my kids and try to continue to incorporate technology into the classroom. I am a chemistry teacher, so technology and chemistry go kind of hand in hand. So my goal for this class is just to get more technology and get better at using it and how to apply it with my kids. My strengths in technology are in my hallway, I would probably be the most technologically advanced, but that's not saying too much. I have to go to some of the younger teachers sometimes to help me figure out a few things, or if all possible, sometimes I have to go to the kids. And so that kind of covers my weaknesses as well. When I first moved to Shawnee Heights, I had never used any Apple products before, and we are a completely Apple school, so that's been a little bit of a change for me. But my second year in, I feel like I'm getting a little better at it. Uh, why technology? I feel like technology is huge in the world today, and everything we do kind of interrelates to it. Even chemistry labs nowadays are using technology. We use the veneer probes quite a bit. Um, and they are connected to computers or other interfaces that are digital outputs that we can store the information on. So that's a really good and useful thing. So technology to me is just not going away, so we just need to keep using it. And the last thing, goals for my graduate degree. I'm working on a master in instructional technology because I feel like that'll help me be a better teacher all the way around. And I want to stay teaching and coaching because that's something I truly love. So I'm not trying to work my way up the ladder to be a administrator or anything like that. So this is where I'm at, and I feel like this is going to help me be a better teacher in the long run, and that's my end goal. Thanks. See you the rest of this semester.